Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of a Shiba Inu. What's going on in the Shiba, what's the price changes over in the Shiba Inu. Let me show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Shiba Inu. Now guys, the currently live price of a Shiba Inu in the market is 0.0006 USD dollar. That is the current live price of a Shiba Inu. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Shiba Inu, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Shiba token is completely negative. I mean, from yesterday the changes of Shiba Inu is going wrong. Shiba Inu holders are going in the loss guys. But you know what guys, not only Shiba Inu price falls down in a right now situation, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu also falls down, and VeChain, these coin also completely falls down because it is a crash time. You can see here. Now let me show you the price chart. Just look here guys, the price chart latest update. I mean from yesterday the price very badly decreased guys. And you know what guys, if you look the Shiba Inu price update, so you can see here from a 1 month the Shiba Inu price is completely falls down. Negative 21.8% changes negative occur in the Shiba Inu. This market is completely going in the room. But I recommend for all of you on the basis of currently update that please holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching.